In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the unidentified network issue you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in CMD. Underneath Programs, best match should say CMD right here. Right click on it, and then go and left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window asking if you want to allow the program to make changes to this computer, left click on Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly how it appears on my screen, and then you want to hit enter. Once you've done that, you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. So again, netsh space winsock space reset. Then you want to hit enter. Now I'd recommend restarting your computer, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.